How to see what country your viewers are watching from on YouTube. To see what country your viewers are watching, follow this step by step instruction. All you have to do is open the YouTube on your web browser, then simply tap on your name or profile picture at the top right corner of your screen and a drop down menu will appear. Then, from the drop down menu, all you have to do is select the YouTube Studio and navigate to the YouTube Studio section. Make sure that you are logged into your YouTube Studio using your YouTube account. Then at the left hand side panel, you can see analytics option available. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on the analytics, here you will get to see all the views you have got in the past 28 days. So as you can see, I do not have any views available, so I cannot see my viewers. But if you do, then simply tap on the audience at the top of the analytics dashboard. Now all you have to do is scroll down to top geographics. This shows your top countries briefly. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.